Hi, thank you so much for watching. My name is Rona. I'm making the cute life on Instagram and on YouTube, where I share kind of crafty and some small business stuff. So if that's your thing, please feel free to follow along. It's going to be a really quick video today though, just sharing 3 things that I'm doing today to hopefully increase my sales on Etsy. It's not a scripted video, just genuinely 3 things that I'm going to be doing today for my little Etsy shop. It's funny though, I've been thinking about this all day. I'm going to actually package some Etsy orders while I'm chatting about it. But I seen, it was like, God, was it coppercup.29 that I follow on Instagram, and I seen they had posted something earlier, and it was like about how when you're running a small business, like a lot of it is just like luck, it feels like a lot of the time, and I totally get that. And if anything, I kind of like there was like one definite person that I used to follow or subscribe to on here. I don't think I do anymore, but I thought they were like the pure Etsy god. Like just everything that she said, I was like, oh, this is amazing. But yeah, it was just like really, she was just like totally selling this course, and yeah, like just got a wee bit kind of annoying after a while. And I think see as well when someone's saying no, like, no, this is what you do to do it, but then you've other people say different stuff. Yeah, like I would rather. So all I'm going to do is this is just like I said, genuinely 3 things I'm doing today. You can let me know if you like what you think about them, if you are an Etsy seller as well. Like, have you tried these? Yeah, let me know in the comments. So the first thing that I'm going to do today, again, this is like, I'd say there are 3 quite controversial things, but the first thing, and also I can't believe I'm using this like actual toothpick in this video. First thing that I'm going to do today, it's been on my list for the last couple of days, is changing my SEO. Like, I'm going to change my tags to Christmassy related stuff now, and this is where people kind of tell you different things, because people put on like Valentine's items and just leave them on all year. But I've got items that sell all year round. So yeah, what I like to do is I just change my tags depending on the season, and that might seem like a lot of work, but again, it's just something that's kind of worked for me. So yeah, I'm going to add in, actually I think some of my tags just now, and like this just shows you how a lot of it is like kind of luck, because I'm sure like something that I sell a lot of still says like Easter basket on it. I've just never, I didn't even update it for summer, but I had an order come in the other day, and it was someone actually said on it like, this is a Christmas gift, so no rush or something they said. And I was like, that right, oh, should on this table. Yeah, I'm going to change all my tags, so I'll add that in. I'm just going to keep like little bits that are for this time of year, but adding in like Christmas present, stocking filler, and I'll add it into my titles, and I'll add it into like the first like couple of sentences in my description. Sometimes I used to, can't find something, sometimes I used to change my pictures, like if when it was coming up to Valentine's Day, I would put like little love hearts about them and stuff. Again, like I've always been pretty lucky, I suppose, with sales. Like I don't really have to do that, and I kind of get sales anyway. But yeah, so that's number 1. The second one, what's my second one that I'm doing today? Right, so this again, it's maybe not so much a controversial one, but see if you're sitting just now, you have an Etsy shop and you don't have loads of sales just now, but you've got stuff sitting there. Like I definitely follow a couple of people, or I used to, that their Etsy time was always like 2 to 3 weeks turnaround, and they made like similar stuff. Like it was like with Starbucks cold cups and things, and I totally get like, you know, like doing this at night time, because obviously I do that as well. But like, see if you're sitting with not a lot of sales, like reduce that right down. So I've just went through a really busy period, and now I'm going into like a little bit, like it feels like it's went a little bit quieter. Like one of my best sellers, just the wee best selling badges just came off, which makes me sad. But I'll get it back. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just reduce that delivery time right down to like one day. And then, like, so this one is probably a bit more controversial, is that I'm going to reduce my cost down. So like, again, I used to follow people that would say stuff like, I'll make sure that you charge for your time, and I totally get that. But so if you are just like, you've got time just now and you're just wanting a wee bit extra money, like, why not sell it for as less as you possibly can? Like, even if you're not really making anything for your time. Like, I suppose it totally depends on what it is that you do, but I know, like, I sit and do, like, make orders really much in like Gossip Girl and stuff, so like it's fine if, like, just before my really busy period there, when there was a wee lull, I reduced my prices right down, and then that's, see, as soon as they start to sell, then I'll increase them. And honestly, like, I can increase like by like double, and when it's at that bestseller stage, they sell at that double the price, and then I feel like it makes back anything anyway. But yeah, that's my 3 things that I'm going to do. So changing my SEO, reducing my delivery time right down to whatever is the absolute, like, the quickest that you can possibly make it, to help with like getting in those orders for people that want like a gift the next day and stuff, and then reducing my price right down. But yeah, that's me. Hope that helps. Let me know again in the comments, like, what you think about that changing SEO or anything else. If there's anything that you want to see from me about how I run my shop, then just let me know. I'll maybe do like another wee one of these updates at some point. When I started this channel, I was like, I'm going to do one of these every single day. That was crazy. Like, that was absolutely wild. Don't know how I thought I was going to do that. But yeah, here we are. So like I said, anything else that you want to know, let me know in the comments. But other than that, it's an absolutely beautiful day here in Glasgow, so I'm going to go and enjoy it. See you guys. Bye.